So right now I'm currently doing a hiking challenge where I said that I would hike every day until I reach about 100 miles. I don't know, I just randomly had the ideas and I wanted to do something. The hardest part about the challenge isn't really the hiking part. I mean, it is hurricane season, so it's constantly raining every day and the rain brings mosquitoes, but...
I got down.
Why?
I'll slide.
How high do you think you could go?
High.
The hardest part for me is being seen and constantly and consistently being perceived or heard. And I also feel like I need to learn how to do things that make me uncomfortable and even sometimes unhappy. I think for the last few years I've been very avoidant as a person, as a friend, as a lover, as a family member. And so I'm kind of not being avoidant in this moment, and it's new for me. But I think it's the healthier version of me and something that will take me to the next stage of life. So I'm gonna keep doing it.
I don't know what that big fish is called. I'm not too good with like fish names and stuff, but I'm guessing I'm gonna say carp. If I'm wrong, I know. But let me know what kind of fish those were. It's pretty cool. People are going beyond. Where are they going?
Here, upshift is here.
Okay. When will I be using that though?
So downshift is like when you're going over rough terrain, or maybe you're about to go into an incline. You don't want to.
This is like a balancing game. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm hurting. Yeah. Look at these humps. I'm gonna try that later. Let's see if I can get to the skill set today of someone that's on these hills. Once I do this green trail, it'll give me practice and confidence. I'm feeling it though. Look at my helmet. Looking cool. This is my second time here mountain biking. This is nice. These kids are so cool. So, trying to find the green trail. There's a green dot right there. Does that mean the green trail? Novice. Oh my gosh. I mean this one or the one that was next to it? I hope it was this one. I think last time I started on what I thought was a green trail, and then I ended up...
That one straight ahead is the forest, but it's a green trail.
Oh, nice. Thank you. I feel like I'm so, like, loud. But I like being loud. I like being heard. The Creator gave us a voice to speak. We just gotta speak it. But only speak truth. Don't be a liar. So if you're just speaking your voice and it's not true, don't say I told you to do it. Be honest in what you're experiencing. Be honest with yourself. Just today, I was thinking about something that happened a long time ago. I had to come to terms that sometimes in life I'm wrong. Just accept like our faults. That's the only way to not self-hate or to be always in a reminiscent state. Trying to really understand another person's perspective, even though we have one that's so strong, we're never just shouting out to each other our perspective is never gonna work. Being patient with sharing, and I wasn't doing that years ago, so I was reminiscing and reflecting about that, and it grossed myself out. But I had to be honest and factual and true. That is the past, you know, that is what's true. So I had to, so be true with yourself too. And yeah, let's go on this trail. I think this is the beginning. It's a green trail, of course. I like this beginner trail. So it just happened again. I was on this green trail, which is the beginner trail. And that sign right there, above us, like north of me, in front of me, says intermediate. Only way I can go is from this green trail all the way here. I hope it has a fork in the road, because I tried to go out this way, but it says this is the exit, meaning people are coming out of here. But I kind of thought it would be, you know, only the easy one. But I don't have a choice, so I guess I have to go on the intermediate. So I guess I'll just do it unless it divides, but I'll only know when I go. It doesn't divide, it goes right to the intermediate trail. I don't know what to say anymore. Love. It's nice to get my heart rate, oh wow. It's hard to get my heart rate up. Whew. It's a good one. And to sweat. But you can't tell me that's a beginner trail. There's no way I'm doing that. Looks like fun though, but I gotta wait some practice, you know. Okay, so I don't know what happened to beginner trail, but I'm just gonna have to do whatever I can do. I'm gonna bike what looks not scary, walk what I don't. I think I can handle this though. Look at this. This is South Florida, everyone. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. This is the skills training platform area, and see how I go. I mean, it is a little frightening having elevation, especially growing up in Miami. Being born in Miami, it's like I'm not used to elevation. But it'll be fun, and I always watch people doing this, so yeah, let's do it. Let's see how I go.
Mentally right now, I'm also fasting for 3 days. Part of me is really making my eating habits more intentional, where I'm seeing all the things that I'm choosing to actively stay away from in this moment, how it's so common in our food choices that have been given to us, and it's not good for your body. It makes us sick, harder to think, harder to remember, harder to be happy.
I don't know if you saw, but I literally, yeah, you probably didn't see because of the angle, but I literally almost fell up this hill, but then I caught myself with my leg. I don't like getting hurt. That was fun though. Like, oh my goodness, these practice ones are worth it. I'd say this was like actually really enjoyable. I might try it one more time, but I'm not gonna record it. I'm just gonna have this moment.
How do we start to love things that are openly loving us too, and not going for the things that maybe don't?
Wait, is this the trail? I don't even know if there is a trail. Wow, this is so pretty. It's a really nice park. It gives me like really Florida feels. It's just a green pasture, like type of green back there with those trees. Hold on. And it feels like I'm watching a movie. Woo, we made it back. These are some nice Tacomas. You know, I love Tacomas. It's my dream car. I'm going to give them back their bike. And then we're on the road again. Hope you all enjoyed this video. See you later. Peace. I want to get lychee, but that's mainly like a Miami thing,
So I'm trying to learn right now how to make the perfect snack for myself to go on these hikes. So one of the things I'm learning is how do I nourish my body and give myself what it needs, but also like there's all these things that I want to do with this society and myself, and the fear of not being able to be self-sufficient inside of myself. Like, how do I have that perfect snack that I know is like I can make it in batch, I can have a batch of them and I'm set for the week, and I know that if I eat this I'm getting all the nutrients that I need. So I've been kind of doing some baking at home, which is nice.